progress.
Okay, good morning everyone. We're continuing in Sefer Ahavas Yisroel. So learning is dedicated by the Harris family of Cleveland. Le'iloi Nishmas, Rabbi Moshe Hauer. Let's get this up on the screen. We're now up to Parakeh. We're now going to explain how to rectify the sin of Sinas Chinam. Rishain lakal, number one, sarch lahasar sinam milibai. You need to remove the hatred from your heart. Va'az yitaher nafshay me'avoin sinas chinam. And then your soul will be purified from the sin of sinas chinam. Sheyuchal acher kach lezvadoy sal ha'avar v'yiskaperlai. That you could come to say vidoy for the past and get atonement. So Chavetz Chaim is saying a chidush that if you want to atone for sinas chinam, you can't just say, okay, Ribbon Shalom, I sinned, so that's vidoy. I feel bad, that's charata. I'm not going to do it anymore. Because if you're still harboring hatred, it's toivel v'sharetz biyadai. Uchshem sheba'avoin gezel. Just like when it comes to the sin of stealing, kozman shloi heishev agzel abalav, so long as you have not yet returned the stolen item to the owner, loy tikein chata, you have not rectified your sin. Ba'afilu yom kippur meina mechaper alav, even Yom Kippur will not atone. Keina din ba'avoin sinas chinam. Likewise is the avera of sinas chinam. Kozman shaloi akar hasina milibay lagamri, so long as you have not totally uprooted the hatred from your heart. Eino yachal es vadois. You're not able to confess. The sin is not atoned for. Afilu bekama viduyim, even with many vidoys. It's like immersing, holding on to a rat. But what do you mean? I gave money to Kupas Ha'ir. I gave them $1 million, and I pressed 7 for Yeshuais v'nachamais. Vouchsafed by all the tzadikei hadar. Do I get kapara for sinas chinam? No. What does it do to my avera? Nothing. But I gave a lot of money to the Beis Vad. Very nice, it's good for you, but you're still toivel v'sharetz biyadai. So in order to have kapara for sinas chinam, the first thing you do is you need to remove the sinner from your heart. So you say, how do you do that? That's what we learned yesterday. It's very simple. You say the following words: Ein li shum tarumais v'sina al yankol yivarcheyu Hashem b'chol inyanav. Yeah, but I think maybe deep down in my heart, maybe I still haven't removed it. It doesn't matter. You said it. We don't go by what you're thinking. We follow your statement, not your heart. Asi dibor umevatel machshava. That was the chiddush of the Chavetz Chaim. Hear that? Asi dibor shemevarchai umevatel machshavtai. I wonder if, when Yitzchak was giving the bracha to Esav, and he was giving him the bracha, maybe he was trying to use this formula of the Chavetz Chaim. He might have had some bad feelings to Esav. Yitzchak probably knew what Esav was all about. Maybe he was trying to Asi dibur shemavarchai umavata machshavtai harishayna. Anyway, that's the first step of rectifying the sin. And I'm going to keep it short today. I wish you all a wonderful Shabbos. Okay, but one thing. Your main job this weekend is, starting Monday, we're starting a new miktsaya in Mishnah Berurah, Hilchos Beis HaKnesses. So make sure you tell your friends and your former enemies, from before Sefer Ahavas Yisroel, and whoever your cousins, your second cousins, to join us 9 o'clock in Hilchos Beis HaKnesses. Simin Kuf Nun. The remez is David HaMelech in the Kapitel Tehillim where he davens for the Beis HaMikdash. He davens Matzar Tzipar Kain Loi Kuf Nun. Kain is a reference to the Beis HaMikdash. So Simin Kuf Nun. There we go. It's like today somebody asked me where a halacha was. I told him Siman Mem Zayin. He says, what's your mnemonic? You must have some crazy mnemonic for that. I said, happens to be sometimes, I happen to have remembered that one. So, okay, have a good day, everyone.